February 17th. Look what they did, y'all. Look at this. Okay, let me tell the vlog what's been going on. Okay, so yeah, I love them so much. They just made my birthday, honestly, because I was so sad and I'm about to start crying now. But yeah, today is February 17th. My birthday is literally in 6 hours, y'all. My birthday is in 6 hours. And yeah, I had plans to do this stuff. I had plans, and it's just like this winter snowstorm just hit Texas out of nowhere, and I'm pretty sure everybody's seen it. But it just like, it really came out of nowhere. So I was really sad today because I'm like, even though the snowstorm hit, I was hoping that it would be gone by now. And we're still struggling. You know, they canceled classes all the way till, oh, my hair look good. They canceled my classes all the way till, they canceled it all this week. Like, it's really bad. And first of all, I hope everybody's okay, because I know there's a lot of people who aren't. And I'm grateful that I have friends who have electricity and heat and power, because at my house, we have nothing, like nothing. My roommate had to come with me, like it's pretty bad. But yeah, so I went back home with my roommate to grab some stuff for the house. I come back and they decorated and stuff. It just made me feel really good, like people care about me. And I know people care about me. I'm not saying people don't care about me, but it's good to see it. So yeah, big 22. Let's get into the birthday vlog. Peace.
Yeah. Hey. 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 Whoa. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Get it up. Oh. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
You ain't never gotta hit me if I'm present when I'm absent. Speaking when I'm not there. I'm scary cause I call him Carol Baskin.
Come on, Rob.
Yeah, come on, Rocky. Tell them the category. Body.
Body.
I ain't never leaving my shit down. Why would I switch out of die for a penny?
Why would I switch out of die for a penny? Why would I switch out a dime for a penny?
Why would I do this?
Why would I switch out a dime for a penny?
For a penny? Really?
Why would I switch out a
Really? You know that's 9 more cents.
Nah!
Oh, nah. Like, no. Do not play like that.
Y'all in front of D to the A. I rock with the line, I rock with the break.
Yeah, we pay. Yeah, we pay.
I'm turning up a little more this time. Drink back in now, you know.
Alright, I would like to give this toast. This toast goes out to Madison. Happy 22nd birthday. I wish you the best. More years to come, more blessings to come, more years to travel, more days to travel.
Period.
So, wish you the best and happy birthday.
Thank you. Hello. It's my birthday. Look, let me show y'all. We thought it was okay. Look outside. It's snowing, y'all. Again. This is not normal, people. This is not normal. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. But yeah, it's my birthday. Everybody's sending me messages and I feel the love. I already cried like 3 times. The power's still trash in my house. I don't think Ariana got water. Do you have water? Yeah. Even if we do got water, we gotta boil it. So there's that. It's always something. What time is it? It's only 9:30. I was supposed to do some stuff. get cute. I didn't get to go do what I had to do. Okay, y'all. First of all, that ain't gonna work. Me and Ariana just came back from where we come back from? HEB, and I was able to get my Rocky, get out of here, go. Anyways, I had to give me some stuff so I can, you know, even though I'm in the house, I try to take some cute selfies, look cute. I really had a good day, even though it ain't going how I planned. But it's okay. I'm not able to get my nails done because the girl supposed to do my nails don't have no power. So yeah, there's that. But it's okay. You know, my girl's still living her best life. Big 22 in this thing. Let's reflect on my year. Let's talk about it. First of all, definitely not the same person I was a year ago. I feel like last year I was so focused on other people instead of myself. Supporting other people, making sure people good before me. Do not put energy into a relationship that is not reciprocated. Okay, y'all? Relationship, friendship, anything. Family-ship. Because, honestly, you wasting your time putting energy into other people who can't even give it to you back. All that energy you put into other people, you can put into yourself. And y'all start doing that and watch how y'all start flourishing. But yeah, I'm very grateful and very blessed to have people around me that love me like I love them. Okay? That's where it's at. Because I'm telling you, y'all, if 2020 is not a year that's going to be about you, you need to make it about you. If you know you're that type of person that puts other people before yourself, you need to make this year about you. Okay? Not about nobody else but you. Because now I'm 22, about to graduate college, and I'm realizing, like, the people that you think gonna be there ain't always gonna be there. And that's just facts. Like, that's not even, like, no type of slug or anything. Like, people that you think that's gonna be there when you first meet them, people that you think gonna have your back, they probably not gonna always be there. You know what? I learned that in high school, and I refused to accept that lesson. And I feel like that's why God, you know, puts us through these certain experiences so we can continue learning. Sometimes you might ask God, like, God, why do I keep going through this? And he's like, you're not learning the lesson that I'm trying to teach you. And because you're not learning the lesson, I keep having to put you through this trial, this tribulation, because you're missing it. Like, you keep trying to hold on to something that I don't want you to hold on to anymore. So now, I keep having to put you through this so you can open your eyes and see. Good morning. First of all, update on the weather. It is looking very much like Texas again. I still got snow on the roof, but like, look on the outside, like, it's not that much ice or snow or whatever it is. Like, this is all covered with ice and snow. But yeah, amen to that, because look, man, after this snowstorm, I'm good on it. I'm good on it for life. I don't want to see it. Don't want to visit any place that has it. Only doing vacations with sun, sand, and a big old ocean. For real. But anyways, yeah, so today is the 19th. Today's Friday, the day after my birthday, and I'm actually getting ready. I'm looking for my slippers. I'm actually getting ready. Well, I pretty much am ready to go to Houston. Yeah, we supposed to leave like an hour ago, but of course Ariana behind. We waiting on her. My thing is, I texted her at 10:30, y'all. 10:30. Like, I think it's going to be a good time. I get to meet some of my close friends from high school and elementary school. Yeah, yesterday we didn't really do much. We were just chilling, you know, doing what college students do. I feel good. I'm waiting on them. I'm ready, really. I'm always ready, though. But yeah, I will see y'all when I see y'all. So we in this thing, and this Airbnb is nice. So I'm finna give y'all a tour. So boom, you walk in. This is the garage right here, and you walk in. What just happened? What just happened?
Don't act crazy, because I'm going to let you know I ain't scared. Okay?
I'm DAD.
I got a German Shepherd at home with 110 pounds. I'm scared of that joker, so I started.
Get on here.
You slide?
Huh?
You slide?
So what? Okay, y'all. This is Brittany. Hi. Let me just set this up. We done did so much stuff since we got here. I barely vlogged.
Hey, oh, are you recording right now?
I am. Say hello.
What's up?
Everybody say hey to my vlog.
Hey y'all, we at the birthday party. Happy birthday, Madison.
Thank you, thank you. Happy birthday, Madison. Thank you. Ariana, Brittany. Happy birthday, Madison. Thank you. Hi.
Lights, camera, action. What's up, y'all? I'm on Madison camera. She probably gonna kill me. But Madison, you're not even here to record, so I'm gonna record for you. Madison, she's a babe. I'm gonna get everything. Again, happy birthday, Madison. Woo! Ariana.
Hey vlog. Happy birthday, Madison. I love you. Happy birthday, Madison. Good morning. It's the next day. Good morning, vlog. I'm vlogging for Madison. Cause she's probably asleep. Let's go see what these people are doing. Okay, how you do this? Trevor. He's asleep. To the next one. Millie.
What's up, y'all? I'm all made it alive.
It's time to get up and make us some breakfast. Cause Madison's not doing it. Madison, I need some breakfast. I'm hungry.
Oh, yeah.
Your guests are hungry. So get up. And here's Chef Brittany. Cause I don't know where Chef Maddie is. Maddie's not a good chef, right? Hi. She don't wake up on time. It is. That's not 11. But we got some eggs and some bacon and some, what is this? Butter. And ooh, some water, y'all. Hydrate yourselves, period. Orange juice. The orange juice in the. And we got waffles. Everybody loves some waffles. Ooh, multi-grain. Does that mean they wheat? But I guess I can't be picky because we in a pandemic. Listen. Madison is always up at 7. It is 11. And she need to be up cooking me breakfast. She's alive. Oh, y'all. She's alive.
Okay, vlog.
Hello. She's back.
I don't know what happened.
She said she coming back at 12, but she not making a breakfast.
It's my birthday. Thank you.
It's her birthday, so she don't know what the rest is.
Show no.
Vlog, we don't have time for this girl. We don't have time for her. Anyway, this is my camera. Hello, vlog. I don't know. I'm feeling better. But they kept calling me out. Let me go check on the other ones. Hold on. They got Montreal. Say hey, Montreal. Okay. I'm coming. I know y'all hear me. Y'all, say hey to the vlog.
Good morning, vlog. Still a little dizzy.
I'm fine now. Bro, when Trevor was on the floor in the kitchen, he scared the fuck out of me. I was like, Trevor.
Shout out to whoever gave me that trash can last night because real talk.
I feel like it was KP.
I was literally on his back like this.
To myself, I was just like.
Child.
Trevor had the whole bed. I was in the bed like this. I was like this in the bed.
We are back in action, people. First of all, let's get into the fit. Peace. Let's get into the lashes as well. Shout out to KP. But yeah, I am basically ready. We about to go to the museum. We're supposed to go at 3, it's like 2:30. So yeah, I think we're about to go in a little bit. Last night was fun. Everybody had fun. All the videos. They said they was vlogging on my camera because this morning I realized I didn't vlog last night. First of all, I left my camera at the house when we went to dinner. Then I forgot to vlog when we came back, but my friend said they was vlogging for me, so yeah, I passed out. I passed out, y'all. There we go. Yeah, it's giving. It's giving. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. It's Capricia. I gotta put my shoes on and get my shades. Brittany just blasted music all throughout the house. Let's get into the shades, though. And it's sunny. Purr.
Okay, yeah, this is fly.
What ways? 22. This is what it's supposed to look like. If you're not looking like this, then you ain't doing it right.
Period.
Let's get into it.
Let's go tripping gangland.
Okay. It is, what's today? Today's Sunday. And we finna do. Ariana? Why are you acting like that?
My stomach hurt.
Oh, stomach always hurt. Did you have a good time?
Your head is so good. You was slapping up the head.
Look, my head itch. Don't be trying to This girl try to play me. This girl try to play me, bro. This girl get on my nerve. Ended. Look, man. Y'all know the struggle.
It's okay. Good
You
morning.
look dirt.
I woke them up. I don't know if they heard my church.
Oh, I heard you, baby. It's breaking. It's breaking. It's breaking.
Y'all was having a
That was $1 million. You can have them.
What?
Them shrimps.
You taking them? I sure will take them.
Yeah, go ahead. No, you can take it. Yeah, you gonna
Bye,
love
y'all.
it.
Had the greatest weekend.
Thank you for coming.
I'm glad, you know, I did. Showed out.
And did her.
Don't do drugs.
You heard the man. Thank you. You're welcome. Love you. Bye.
3 weeks.
I know. Ooh. Bye, KP. Love you. I see you.
My vlogs.
Where the f you going? No, really, you look nice. We going somewhere? Cause I could change.
I don't know. It's just Sunday.
Oh. I was looking at him like, do I need to change? Like, do I need to change? We going somewhere? Cause the tights advance forever. Ain't go cap. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. So today, honestly, I don't even know how this vlog is looking right now. Cause yeah, we had a lot going on, but I did have fun. I just woke up. It's like 2 days later, y'all, cause let me tell you, we came back to Samo and I went straight to sleep. And then I had work the next day, homework to catch up on, cause everything like got pushed back cause of the storm or whatever. But yeah, my room right now is a mess cause I have not cleaned or anything. Not cleaned, but I didn't unpack, so I just got stuff everywhere. But I did want to comment in the vlog. Yeah, I'm not sure what all I got. I really don't remember, but I did have fun. And yeah, it was lit. Shout out to my friends for turning me up. Thank everybody for the birthday wishes. And y'all, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video.